Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to honor all of you who are attending the installation ceremony in this wonderful evening. As COVID-19 continues its spread around the world, this year we are having our installation ceremony through virtual platform. The installation ceremony of the new president and new secretary and their team of Rotary Club Calicut Smart City is about to start. We are going to witness the 12th installation ceremony of the prestigious Rotary Club Calicut Smart City. Let's have the Rotary song first. Hello. Let me call upon past President and Executive Secretary, Rotarian Advocate Deepu, to call her the President.
Meeting to install new office bearers of Rotary Calicut Smart City 2020-21 is called to order.
Now, I invite Srimati Saumya Srinesh to invoke the Rotary prayer and four-way test.
Rotary prayer. We pray, Almighty God, that you bless this assembly with good acquaintance and fellowship. Guide each one us to dignify our occupation as an opportunity to serve society. Help us to prove useful to the community and country in which we live, and advance national and international understanding, goodwill, and peace through the Rotary ideal service above self. The four vectors of the things we think, say, or do. Please follow me. First, is it the truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendships? Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you. May I invite our Charter President, Rotarian Advocate PTS Unni, to welcome the gathering.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good evening, all. I am Rotarian Advocate PTS Unni, Charter President. I am entrusted to deliver the welcome address. The President of the installation meeting, Rotarian Rajesh Venkilath, the Chief Guest, IPDG Rotarian Major Donor Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, the Guest of Honor, DGE Rotarian Dr. Rajesh Subhash, District Chief Surgeon at Arms Rotarian R.P. Sali, Zonal Coordinator Rotarian Dr. Sethu Shivashankaran, Zonal Secretary Rotarian Advocate V.P. Radhakrishnan, Assistant Governor Rotarian PHF Engineer Shyam Somnath, President and members of sister clubs, Assistant Governor Rotarian Vijay Lulla, Rotarian Hassan, Rotarian Shobiraj, Rotarian T.C. Ahmed, past presidents of our club, Rotarian Radhakrishnan, Rotarian PHF, C.A. Ratish, Rotarian Advocate B.V. Deebu, Rotarians and annex of our club, and the invited guests participating in this 12th installation ceremony of Rotary Calicut Smart City. The Rotary year 2021 commenced today. COVID-19 pandemic has failed miserably before the Rotary spirit, I should say. We Rotarians are together always, meeting regularly through Zoom, exchanging our views through electronic media, etc. Let me recollect a nursery rhyme starting with birds of a feather flock together, and so will pigs and swine. It goes like that. But what I should say, ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഒരേ തൂവൽ പക്ഷികളാണ്. റോട്ടറിയുടെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളും ഏക മനസ്സോടെ ചെയ്യുന്ന റൊട്ടേറിയൻസ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ബേർഡ്സ് ഓഫ് എ ഫെദർ ഫ്ലോക്ക് ടുഗദർ എന്നുള്ളത് ശരിയാണ് തോന്നുക. കുഞ്ഞുനാള് പഠിച്ച ഒരു നഴ്സറി റൈം അത് ഇപ്പോഴും വളരെ പ്രാക്ടിക്കലായിട്ട് ശരിയാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. Now, my duty is to welcome the gathering. On behalf of our club, let me welcome the dignitaries and the August gathering on the 12th to the 12th installation ceremony of Rotary Calicut Smart City. Once again, I welcome you all. Jai Rotary Calicut Smart City. Thank you all. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Our club has successfully completed one more year in Rotary. Now, it is the time for Club Secretary to present the 11th annual report of the club. I invite Rotarian Pramod M., our Secretary, to present the brief report for the year 2019-20.
Hello, am I audible? Hello. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. I am Pramod, Secretary, Calicut, Rotary Calicut Smart City. So it was the respected senior Rotary officials, our chief guest, DG Rotarian Karthikeyan, our guest of honor Rotarian Dr. Rajesh Subhat, or our senior officials of Rotary, my fellow Rotary Club members. Welcome to our installation meeting, this online program. So it is my privilege to present the last year annual report of Rotary Club Smart City. So it has been a wonderful year for us with our smart Rotary President Rajesh Venkilat and our smart members, where we could do quality projects last year, and we hereby present our report in front of you. Thank you. So please hear.
On behalf of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City, I hereby present the report of our club activities till date. On 4th July 2019, Rotarian Rajesh Venkilat has been installed as President by Rotarian Nana Shant. The President installed his team subsequently on the function. On the same day, 6 new members was inducted to the club. Report of new office bearers was published in local newspapers like Malayalam Manorama and Madhrubhumi with the photographs. On 24th July 2019, new member orientation seminar was conducted, and Charter President Rotarian Advocate P.T.S. Sunni, Past President Rotarian PHF C.A. Radish, Past President Rotarian Radhakrishnan was the speakers. On 10th August 2019, the club participated in flood relief activities in the aftermath of severe monsoon devastated in the state of Kerala by distributing drinking water, food materials worth Rs 15,000 in the rescue camp at Achyutan Girls High School, Calicut. The club members actively participated as volunteers for relief work at the control room of district headquarters at Civil Station, Calicut. On 11th August 2019, the club participated in the flood relief work and distributed food items, clothes, provisions, vegetables, etc. in the most affected areas of Wayanad district. Around Rs 75,000 worth value of items were distributed in 6 relief camps at Wayanad district. On 12th August 2019, dress and food items were supplied to a relief camp at Valayanad, Kozhikode worth Rs 12,500. On 21st August 2019, 18 members participated in the district function on the topic New Member Orientation Program conducted by Rotary Club of Calicut East and inducted 4 new members to the club. In the function, the club was recognized by the district governor for inducting maximum new members. On 21st September 2019, the club has celebrated Onam, the traditional festival of Kerala, with much enthusiasm at Hotel Asma Tower. All the members with their family actively participated with various events such as Athapookalam, Thiruvathirakkali, songs, games and lot of fun. The club has inducted a member during the function. The club had announced monthly medical help of Rs 2,000 per month to Miss Vinodini residing Mangav. The celebration concluded with dinner. 29th September, the club has participated with family Walk for Heart on the occasion of World Heart Day. On 29th September, club has donated 1,000 kg of rice and food items to more than 100 families to the flood-affected area at Chathamangalam Panchayat. The distribution was inaugurated by Chathamangalam Panchayat President. On 26th October, the club has conducted a Ayurveda medical camp at Rotary Youth Center, Chakkorathukulam, in association with Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda Aushadashala in connection with National Ayurveda Day celebration. The medical camp was inaugurated by Sri M.K. Raghavan, Member of Parliament. Nearly 100 persons participated in the camp and free medicines were also distributed. The event was covered by almost all media channels and daily newspapers. On 26th October, 15 members has participated in the district fellowship meet, Rocktober, organized by Rotary Club of Kutiyadi. On 3rd November, the club participated in Central Futsal Football Tournament organized by Rotary Club Central and entered into semi-final. On 12th November, the club conducted international short film and script writing competition in association with Malabar Sauhurda Vedi. Program was inaugurated by well-known singer and music director Kaidrapuram Damodaran Nambudiri. On 8th December, the club participated in the shuttle tournament conducted by Rotary Midtown. On 15th December, the club conducted free eye checkup camp in association with Srikanth Eye Hospital for the residents of Mitram Residents Association. More than 200 persons participated and benefited with the camp. On 22nd December, the club celebrated Xmas and New Year with the family. Vocational Excellence Award was awarded to renowned music director Mr. Kaidapuram Vishwanathan and Mr. Unnikrishnan, who has given free training to young job seekers. In the function, Ants and Anants were recognized who has shown excellence in academics and extracurricular activities. On 5th January 2020, the club has conducted a seminar on the topic Igniting the Innovator in You at Hotel Metro Empire. The speaker was Dr. Chaitanya Unni, who is a young entrepreneur in Australia and a member of Kerala Lok Sabha. The seminar was much appreciated and had a good media coverage. On 13th January, the club has conducted seminar on the topic Traffic Awareness on the occasion of National Road Safety Week in association with Motor Vehicle Department and National Road Safety Authority. The function was inaugurated by District Collector Mr. Sambasiva Rao and affixed signboards worth rupees 25,000 regarding traffic awareness in the major part of city. The project got good coverage in both digital and printed media. On 19th January, club participated Pulse Polio program and given services and food to the healthcare workers. On 19th January, club participated in Beach Willow conducted by Rotary Club of Calicut Beach at Exclusive Club. The club was awarded runners-up in penalty shootout competition and Rotarian Prasoon was awarded Best Shootout Player. On 26th January 2020, the club participated in the Calicut Zone Elocation Competition, a district event on the topic Rotary Forward Test conducted by Rotary Club of Port City at Hotel East Avenue. Our past presidents, Rotarian Radhakrishnan and Rotarian Nana Shams, participated in the competition. On 31st January 2020, a seminar was conducted on the topic Say No to Plastic in association with Calicut Women Model Industrial Cooperative Society training program were given to 40 women for making cloth bags. The seminar was inaugurated by P.J. Joshua, Chief Editor of Malayalam Manorama. On 14th February 2020, 12 members participated in District Conference Amoha at Coimbatore. On 3rd March, club participated in Walkathon at beach conducted on the occasion of World Hearing Day. On 18th March 2020, the club installed a wash basin at Palayam nearby bus stand for washing hands due to the outbreak of COVID-19 and was inaugurated by Rotarian Major Donor DGE Dr. Rajesh Subhash. The club has contributed Rs 50,500 towards the implementation of Rotary ICU, a joint project of Rotary Clubs of Kozhikode District installed at Calicut Medical College. The weekly meeting of the club conducted on all Wednesdays at Hotel Alagaburi with good attendance. Board meeting was also conducted once in 2 months. During the start of Rotary year 1920, we have 18 members, then inducted 12 new members and 3 members left the club as they are inactive. Now we have a member strength of 27 active Rotarians. This is the report till the date and proudly presents before you. Thank you, Chair Rotary.
sir. We just heard the report of last year's performance of the club, and it was recognized by the district governor during the official visit. It was under the able leadership of Rotarian Rajesh Venkalat that we could perform so well. I call upon President Rotarian Rajesh Venkalat to deliver his farewell address.
Respected Chief Guest, IPDG, Rotarian Major Donor, Arun Jyoti Karthikeyan, Guest of Honor, Rotarian Major Donor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash, President and Secretaries of our Sustainable Clubs, respected district officials, dear Rotarians and allies, a warm good evening. I am extremely happy to address all of you today as I complete 1 year tenure as president of our club and stepping down with a good amount of satisfaction. Today, we have completely new installation ceremony, which none of us could even imagine till the advent of COVID-19 a few months back. On 4th July 2019, I took over as a president of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City in front of an experienced audience at the elegant function held at Hotel Buddhist Calicut. But now the atmosphere has changed a lot, so drastically that we are now accustomed to visit virtual meetings. No one knows the limits which we will transform ourselves during this difficult period. But every adversity has taught the human race to explore and find new opportunities. It's with this firm belief that I am stepping down as a president of the club, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all those honorable members who stood with me in all our activities that we undertook last year. It would not have been possible for me to discharge my responsibility without this great support and encouragement. Your selfless work to promote the club's mission and your tremendous efforts have gone well with great achievements in all our projects last year. And I am sure this will continue and will promote the spirit of commitment to the society to a new level in the years to come. Let me point out some of our achievements during my tenure as the president. We started with 18 members. Unfortunately, 3 of them left the club and would bring 11 new members to our fold. Now we have 26 active Rotarians in our 26 active Rotarians. In our membership drive, I can never forget the contribution of our beloved treasurer, Rotarian Anil Kumar. Thank you, Anita. We are able to enhance our public image substantially when most of our projects were covered in the print and digital media with greater coverage than usual. I am greatly obliged to our charter president, Rotarian Advocate P.T. Sunni, In this regard, I would like to thank him for his help. Also, I would like to mention that we could bring eminent personalities to our functions and boost our social image in a big way. Member of Parliament, District Collector, and presidents of local self-government organizations were present in our various functions and blessed us with their presence. This also helped us to improve our public image in a greater extent. Another important project undertaken was in collaboration with motor vehicles departments and road safety authority. To spread the message of road safety, we could react a few hoardings in different parts of the city. That also enhanced our public image. I thank our IPP, Rotary Nana Chams, for organizing the project in a professional way. Another area, our club members contributed significantly was when the flood relief work was undertaken. In the initial days of natural calamity, our members came forward and distributed essential items at various places in the floods ravaged areas. When there was a restriction of human movement to flood hit Wayanad, 11 of our members was reached there with the relief materials and distributed them in as many as 6 relief camps. Let me say that the members who upheld our motto, service above self, are a great pride to our club, and their commitment to social work is indeed commendable. And I wish to take this moment to express my gratitude to all of them. I thank IPDG, Rotarian Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, Major Donor, Rotarian Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, who has supported as a great motivator for us. Thanks, Alika, for your inspiration and the support to our club. Thanks, Rotarian Jish Venmarnas, our assistant governor, whose guidance and support allowed us to reach our goals. As all you know, the strong pillars of our club was our secretary, Rotarian Pramodam Nair, Treasurer Rotarian Anil Kumar, and our executive secretary, Rotarian Advocate Deepu BV. I wish to acknowledge and greatly appreciate the service and motivation rendered to us by these 3 great Rotarians. I would like to express my wholehearted gratitude to my wife Jasna and my daughter Vishnuta, who are giving me a fabulous support, motivation, and stood like pillars of encouragement. Also take this opportunity to thank the sponsors who supported us in some projects. First, NH India Limited of Kanganwada and Shizon. Then Fly Me Travels and also Mr. Gigi Thomas. Let me state, we shall be extending our unwavering support and cooperation to our new presidents, Rotarian Prasant, Secretary, Advocates, Rotarian Srinesh, and his team of fellow Rotarians. Let me once again thank all of you for your help and cooperation provided me, and I am sure that we will forge even stronger bonds in the years ahead. Thank you all. Jai Rotary.
Thank you, sir. May I invite Rotarian Nana Shant to introduce our new president.
Good evening, President Rotarian Rajesh Vengilat, respected IPDG Rotarian Major Donor Arul Jodi Karthigan sir, Rotarian Major Donor DG Dr. Rajesh Subhash, AG Rotarian PHF Engineer Shyam Somnath, our Charter President Rotarian Advocate PTS Unni, other dignitaries and invited guests. It is indeed a privilege for me to introduce the 12th President of Rotary Calicut Smart City, Mr. Prashant M.M. Mr. Prashant born on 28 May 1976 to late Madhav Nair and Srimati Radha. He had his schooling in Government High School, Kakodi, and he had done his VHSC in Agriculture at Vocational High Secondary School, Tamarsheri. After his higher secondary education, he joined in Indian Army in the year 1994 for short service in Army Supply Corps Wing. After he left from military service, completed his graduation in Functional English at SNG College, Challanur in the year 2000. He was a senior under officer in NCC during college days. After graduation, he joined as GRE in Malabar Palace, Kozhikode in 2000 to 2004. In the year 2004, he joined as a team leader with IDBI Bank Limited. In 2007, he went abroad and worked as manager in SME department in Barclays Bank at Abu Dhabi till 2009. Then in 2009, he joined in Gulf Exchange Company in Qatar and worked there till 2014. In the year 2040, he returned to Calicut and worked as general manager of Hotel Malabar in till 2018. In 2018, he started his own business in hospitality industry in Calicut and Wayanad. Mr. Prashant joined in Rotary in the year 2016 and had served in various posts of the club. He has been actively participating in all projects and activities and providing good support to the club. Mr. Prashant is a lover of sports and a player of volleyball, badminton, and football. Played for the school's college teams and various clubs. His hobbies are reading, listening music, traveling, and driving. He is happily married to Nida and blessed with two teens, Saurabh Prashant and Sweda Prashant. Both are studying in 7th standard in Presentation High Secondary School, Calicut. Our club is extremely happy to elect a smart, young, vibrant leader as our 12th president in the Rotary year 2020-21. Friends, please give me a warm welcome and good support. We assure all support to him and wish him a very best for the Rotary year 2020-21. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, the much awaited ceremony, installation of the new president. I request Rotarian Rajesh Vengilat to install Rotarian Prashant as the 12th president of the Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City.
I install Rotarian Prashant Dharma as new president of Rotary Calicut Smart City. Best wishes, dear. Best wishes. Both.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, let me request Rotarian Rajesh Winkilat to administer the oath of office on President Rotarian Prashant M.
I,
Rotary Prashant M. as President of the Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City, will do the best of my ability to administer the duties of the office of President in a business-like manner and in accordance with the club constitution and bylaws. Thank you.
The new president, Rotarian Prashant, will now install the outgoing president, Rotarian Rajesh Winkilat, as the immediate past president.
I install the Rotary Rajesh Winkilat as immediate past president of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City.
thank you. Thank you, sir.
The new president will now install Rotarian Advocate Shrinesh KP as the new secretary of the club.
I install Rotary Advocate Shrinesh KP as Secretary of Calicut Smart City, the Rotary of 2020 and 21.
The new president will now install the office bearers. I install Rotary Abdul Aziz as treasurer. I install Rotary Advocate Shrinesh KP as president-elect. I install Rotary Anil Kumar K as president nominee. I install Rotary Rajesh Winkilat as vice president. I install Rotary Advocate Deepu BV as executive secretary. I install Rotary Nishit KS as joint secretary. I install Rotary Narashant as senior surgeon at arms. I install Rotary Vinay Jadhav as junior surgeon at arms. I install Rotary PHF CA Ridush P as club trainer. I install Rotary Radhakrishnan Kapi as club administration chair. I install Rotary Vivekanandan MK as public relations chair. I install Rotary Anil Kumar K as membership chair. I install Rotary Advocate PTS Srivastava as service project chair. I install Rotary Srikumar CP as Rotary Foundation chair. I install Rotary Firoz Hiba and Rotary Pramod M. Nair as basic chair. I install
Rotarian Prasoon Subhash Kari and Rotarian Baiju as board chair. I installed Rotarian Ajit Kumar KK as IT support and bulletin chair. I installed Rotarian Sedumadhan K as community service wings chair. I installed Rotarian Manoj Kujan as I installed Rotarian Advocate Raju Agustin as literacy chair. I installed Rotarian Engineer Shaji Ilikan as pulse polio chair. I installed Rotarian Thomas Caddy as Rotaract and Inract chair. I installed Rotarian Advocate Sedumadhan Sudevan Mami as traffic awareness chair. I installed Rotarian Mrs. Vanaja Uni as Women Empowerment Chair. Thank you.
Let us welcome our new president, Rotarian Prashant M, for the acceptance speech.
Good evening, all. I do hereby accept the office of the President of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City for the year 2020 and 21. Respected Chief Guest, IPDG Rotarian MD Anuj Jyoti Karthikeyan, Guest of Honor DG Rotarian MD Dr. Rajesh Subhash, Calicut Zonal Coordinator Rotarian PHF Dr. Sedu Shivashankar, Calicut Zonal Secretary Advocate VP Radhakrishnan, and my immediate boss, AG Rotarian PHF Engineer Shyam Somanath, and all dignitaries, distinguished personalities, and all invited guests and friends. At the outset, I take this opportunity to thank all fellow Rotarians of Calicut Smart City who has vested trust and faith in me to hold this position for next 1 year. It is indeed a matter of great pride for me to hold the post as 20th President of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City for the year 2020 and 21. I value the faith imposed on me by the Rotarians. I assure you that I will endeavor to reach up to your expectations. It's also a matter of great honor for me to work under our beloved District Governor, Rotarian MD Dr. Harish Nambiar of 3202. And I am proud to become a part of Rotary International, being the world's best charitable organization, which is spending 95% of its revenue towards the charity and helping poor and downtrodden across the world. Thus, we are adopting the ideas of a great personality, Mother Teresa. Lift of downtrodden is a good exercise for human heart. I joined in Rotary in the year of 2016 and 17. I found all are actively participating in every club meeting and correct nonsense decorum. This system attracted me too much. In spite of the above, through Rotary, we are getting a rare opportunity to help the poor people around our environment and also across the world. From this, what I understood, the Rotary has some value, and I would like to state the core values which drive the Rotary members are its service, fellowship, diversity, integrity, and leadership. I would like to tell something about my club at this juncture. We have galaxy of past presidents, and of course, I believe definitely they will guide us constantly in our drive to achieve our goals. It is indeed a great opportunity for me to work with these able and dynamic personalities, especially with our charter presidents, Rotary Advocate P.T.S. Pudi, Rotary PHF CA Revishti, Rotary Radhakrishnan Kepi, Rotary Advocate Deepu Biri, Rotary Nanasham, and my IPP Rotary Rajesh Bengat, and so on. However, we are not rich in number, and my prime challenge is to bring more members to our club. I already requested all the Rotarians to invite more members for the growth of our club. As far as project is concerned, we will try our level best to touch all the 3 areas such as RA priorities, district priorities, and activities in the designated months. For doing projects, we expect more guidance and support from our team and relevant district chairs. Among the district priorities, my dreams to do some projects based on literacy and economic and community development. Thirdly, we serve community in countless ways. Through these services, we focus mainly on 4 and 7 areas. 1. Peace and conflicts, prevention or resolution. 2. Disease prevention and treatment. 3rd one, water and sanitation. 4th, maternal and child health. 5th, basic education and literacy. 6th, economic and community development. And 7th, supporting the environment. I don't want to lengthen my speech, and I would like to quote of Nobel Prize winner and great Indian poet, Rabindranath Tagore. I was sleeping and dreaming that life was pure joy. I awakened to see that life was mere service. Then I served and I saw that service was joy. Now let us pray to the God to give us strength and support to fulfill the new Rotary International theme. Rotary opens opportunities. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Rotary.
Wishing you all success for the Rotary year 2020-21. Thank you, sir. We are very happy to have Rotarian DGE Dr. Rajesh Subhash as the guest of honor for the evening.
Respected President Rotarian Prashant, IPDG Rotarian Major Donor Arun Jyoti Karthikeyan, all other Rotary leaders, aunts and aunts, a very warm good evening to all. I feel that I have been honored by getting this opportunity to introduce our today's guest of honor, who is my best friend. I had a number of opportunities to get associated with him right from Rotary year 2015-16, when we both were presidents, and the Rotary theme was "Be a gift to the world." Even today, the gifts are maintaining the close relationship. With this, I am moving towards my today's duty of introducing our guest of honor today. Our guest of honor is a second generation hardcore Rotarian. He was adjudged outstanding secretary in the year 2013-14 of PDG Dr. Setalnathan Shiva. Past president of Rotary Calicut Mekong, during which he bagged the Best President's Award for 2015-16 and 11 other awards during PDG George Sundararajan. Again in 2017-18, he was awarded Best Assistant Governor from PDG Shivashankaran. He was the chairman of the District Assembly at Gokul 2018, described as a class eco-friendly model event with good registration despite a last-minute change in venue to Palakkad following Nipah virus scare. He was instrumental in connecting Rotary with Dr. Asad Moopan, resulting in the Ashtar Rotary Rebuilding Kerala movement. He was the co-chairman for the district conference held 2019 at Wayanad. Again, he was the mastermind behind the Pets and Sets at Bangalore, Aksharam 2019. He loves traveling, socializing, philanthropy activities through various organizations like Rotary, where he is a major donor and a benefactor of TRF. The second from District 3202. He has also become an N Podio Fellow. Recognizing his commitment to Rotary and the leadership qualities he had displayed over the years, he has been chosen unanimously by 3202 to lead the new bifurcated Rotary District 3204 as his charter district governor in the year 2021-22. During the COVID period, he took the lead and was instrumental in motivating all the Rotary clubs of Calicut district to set up the 10-bedded fully equipped Rotary ICU at Calicut Medical College in a record time. Presenting our district governor-elect, Rotarian, MD and benefactor, Dr. as a guest of honor. Thank you.
With great pleasure, I invite our distinguished guest of honor to address the gathering.
Can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello? MC, am I audible?
Hear you, Doctor.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you, Rotarian Radhakrishnan, for that very elaborate introduction. Radhakrishnan is one person whom I find to be a very passionate Rotarian. Newly installed President, Rotarian Prashant MM, Secretary, Rotarian Srinesh, the Treasurer, Abdul Aziz, the newly installed board members. Our chief guest will be back soon, IPDG Arunjyoti Karthikeyan, whom I would call as one of the most prolific district governors 3202 has ever seen. District Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian R.P. Sali, I think Setu is not there, Zonal Secretary, Rotarian Advocate Radhakrishnan, AG, Rotarian Shyam Somnath, other AGs, Presidents, Secretaries, and Rotarians of sister clubs, the father figure of Calicut Smart City, Charter President, Rotarian Advocate Srivalsan Ulni, the Program Coordinator and Executive Secretary, Rotarian Advocate Deepu, dear members of Rotary Calicut Smart City, and I also see the immediate members, family members of President Prashant, Rotarians, aunts, aunts, ladies and gentlemen. Now, first of all, let me congratulate Rotarian Rajesh Vengilath and Rotarian Pramod for a good Rotary year, despite the various challenges that we had towards the end of this the last Rotary year. Under them, Rotary Calicut Smart City made their presence felt in all district and regional events. Service works was not done just in terms of amount, but also as man hours. ഇന്നത്തെ കാലത്ത് amount മാത്രമല്ല, എത്ര സമയമാണ് നമ്മുടെ Rotarians spend ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Man hours does count today as service. And I'm also happy to see a lot of the family involvement of its members. Then എപ്പോഴും പറയാറുണ്ട്, ഏത് ക്ലബാണ് family involved ചെയ്യുന്നത് will become a vibrant club. So my congratulations to Anne Jesta and Anne Ashwati. Probably you were the ones who was motivating all the other family members. Then there were a lot of projects that attracted a good public image. So I would like to take this opportunity also to thank the members of Rotary Smart City for being a part of the legacy project called Rotary ICU. Now, this is my first meeting as DGE, and as a DGE, I'm bound to motivate you in becoming more passionate towards Rotary. Now, I was telling DG Harriethan that my year started with IPDG Karthi. It will continue during my term and also during DGN Pramod Naina's period. Because we should never plan and do everything for our period alone. We should always think towards the growth of Rotary or even any organization. Nammada period matra nokkande, any organization, it should be a continuous work. Only then will that organization grow. Now, historically, if you look at it, during the first decade of Rotary, when Rotary started in 1905, membership in Rotary kept on doubling every year. By the 1950s, it was growing at 5%. And by 1997, you could say that the growth has stopped. Now, officially, there is a new club which is being formed every 14 hours. But then retention has resulted in Rotary membership to be still fixed at 1.2 million. So the challenge that you Rotarians need to take is to decrease the retention rate. Okay? So my first advice to you is that hold on to the new members. At least for 3 to 4 years, they will start enjoying Rotary and then they will continue being in Rotary. And for that, you need to give a proper orientation of what to expect in Rotary. And it's important to tell them what all financial liability also comes every year in Rotary. All right. Another very important thing is engage your members. A robust engagement of these members. Members, all members involved they feel part of this Rotary organization and they will feel that they are not wasting their time and money in Rotary. All right. So I would just like to keep Rotary simple, keep Rotary vibrant by doing more projects, and keep Rotary relevant in such a way that ningal cheyyunna projects nammada community ku avashyumulla projects aayirikkanam cheyyunnathu and always be credible. Okay? Karanam endanu ningal commit cheyyunnathu adu ningal fulfill cheyyana. So keep Rotary simple, keep it vibrant, keep it relevant, and keep it credible. Now it's time to come out. Smart City, it's time to come out and it's time to grow bigger. Because always you should remember that anything that doesn't grow is dead. So, President Prashant, under your leadership, I want Calicut Smart City to start growing even more in terms of membership, in terms of project, and in terms of TRF. And it should keep on growing to become one of the most well-known clubs in our district. Wishing the team Calicut Smart City all the very best. Jai Hind, Jai Rotary.
Thank you, Rotarian DGE Dr. Rajesh Subhash. We are very privileged and happy to have Rotarian PG Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan as the chief guest for the evening. Let me invite Rotarian Advocate Deepu Bibi to introduce our chief guest of the day.
Newly installed President Prashant, our chief guest of the day, Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, guest of honor Rajesh Subhas, other dignitaries and guests attending this meeting. It's my privilege to introduce our APDG and chief guest to this function. Rotarian Major Donor Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, born in the year 1975 in Tirupur. His father, A.P. Arul Jyoti, a landlord, and his mother, Punnuthai. His father started a small school in the year 1989, namely AVP Trust Matriculation School in his land with 54 students in Tirupur. This school was tremendously developed by our chief guest, Rotarian Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, and now the school is a very bigger one in Tirupur, and also started an Arts and Science College in Tirupur in the name of AVP College of Arts and Science in the same premises. He started 3 state board schools and 1 CBSE school affiliated to Delhi in Gandhinagar, Tirupur. All the schools and the colleges are under AVP Trust Management, and Rotarian MD Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan is the chairman of the trust. In total, 9,500 students are studying in these schools and colleges. Rotarian Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan completed management studies also. Coming to Rotary, he joined in the Rotary Club of Tirupur Metal Town, one of the best clubs in District 3200 in the year 2004. He served as the president of the club in the year 2007-8. He was the last club president of Rotary Club Tirupur Metal Town in the undivided District 3200. He is the first president in the club and achieved the Best President Award of District 3200. He is the first major donor of Rotary Club of Tirupur Metal Town. A record new club, Rotary Club of Tirupur East, with 60 charter members, those who all are PHFs in charter itself, was started when he was the president of the club. 25 new members were inducted during that year. New Rotary clubs, Interact clubs, RCC and Innovative clubs were started in the year 2007 and 8. Pets and Sets Vidya 2008 was conducted by the club. A new meal building was constructed and upgradation of hospital ward, cremation yard, and renovation and adoption of school and Anganwadi projects were undertaken during this year. He has held various district assignments in various years. He was the Governor's Group representative in the year 2008-9. He was the Assistant District Trainer in the year 2009-10. Assistant Governor in the year 2010-11. He was the Chairman District Conference Triveni in the year 2012. PRF Annual Hearing Subcommittee Chair in the year 2013. He was the District Chair Anti-Corruption in the year 2014. He was District Zone Chair School Adoption in the year 2015. District Chair Major Gift in the year 2016. And he was elected as the District Governor for the year 2019 and 20, which ended just a day before. During his tenure as a District Governor, he has done many signature projects by utilizing global grants which will be remembered by all Rotarians forever. Due to his intervention and leadership, our club was also able to participate in installation of medical ICU at Calicut Medical College. His tenure as a governor will be in the hearts of all Rotarians forever. He is happily married to Mrs. K. Leda, who supports the management of AVP Trust Educational Institution, Tirupur. The couple is blessed with two daughters, Treya and Shivani, studying in grade 10th and 8th respectively. I proudly present before our chief guest, Atul Jori Kartigayan, before him. Thank you.
With great pleasure, I invite our chief guest to deliver his keynote address.
Thank you, Deepu, for introducing me. But this introduction was prepared 2 years back. My daughter is studying in 12th standard and 10th standard respectively. I'm so happy to see, but you could have added some more points now. Thank you, DGE Rajesh Bas, for inviting me for this beautiful function installation. My President Rajesh Venglat and Secretary Pramod, my congratulations for outstanding effort what you have done in this Rotary centenary year. This is the first program as IPDG I'm just participating, like a Rotary Calicut Smart City. I'm so happy to sit here as an IPDG by accomplishing all the duties which was given to me by the Rotary and the Rotarians in the district. Yes, I was a little proud as a district governor of Centennial Rotary in India. As we have said, we have also planned well I just call all my president as a torchbearers president, people of action. So all my torchbearers presidents, and they have all well planned and they have did significant changes in the community. One among is that Rotary ICU. Normally, I used to enjoy the fellowship of Calicut whenever I just come there. I used to have a very good fellowship, and I used to be there in the Manantavad circle, which is near to the Malabar Hotel, in front of Malabar Hotel. Every day morning, I used to go there and I used to walk. I used to go spend my time in the Manandar circle. I think that is. I think I should be correct in that. When I went once I've seen a significant project which was done by a Rotary Club of Calicut. That is all one day. So that's let me come to that point in a second. So first of all, I have to thank my president and secretary, and as well as the state coordinator Shalika and the regional coordinator Mohan Raj for your outstanding contribution during my tenure last year, because both of them are here in this meeting. And I have to thank Charter President Shrival Sanoni for your great motivation, what you have done, what you are doing it in your club. And Dr. Sethu Shivashankar is there, and he is a man who has made 130 clubs as a citation. This is the first time in our district 130 clubs are getting a citation. And I have to thank our AG Jayesh also, because he has made a lot of effort and he has contributed a lot of time during last year, and as well as incoming AG, our incoming AG Sham Somnath. I can remember when I just went to Sam Somnath at the time, his father was alive. He asked me one promise. I just want the Rotary to follow a unique prayer song. That was a request by the Sam Somnath's father. He requested me. That day I remember still, I was there in the front hall. I'm standing in front of his father. I was talking to him. He's a veteran, beautiful Rotarian. It was his father is in front of me. Still that, even that I can recall that those days. So there's such a wonderful time I had in Calicut, and I really congratulate Sham Somnath for your outstanding performance. What you are going to do it in this year. And I have to congratulate the President-elect Prashant. He's a vibrant man. He has come to last President of Undivided District 3202. And the Secretary, Srinesh, secretary also. He's an undivided, last secretary of Undivided District 3202. Abdul Aziz, the treasurer of Undivided District 3202. And I just love to be here, always there with the smart city, because I know that you are a club of with a family and with more of fellowship and fun and get-togethers. So that once again I congratulate and I wish all the Rotarians good luck. That I can, because each and every program, whenever I just come to Rotary, I can see the smart city participation. Smart city will be enjoying Rotary like anything. So that once again I congratulate all the members of the smart city for your outstanding work that you do. Then I just come to the point which I have left it in the Manandava circle. So whenever I just go there, I used to go for walk. One day I saw one unique thing. I was keeping in mind that I just want this centennial year, every community should remember the Rotary clubs, because almost 100 years we have crossed. In Calicut, nearly about 70 years we have crossed. But even though many people doesn't know what Rotary does, Rotary commits for the community and all. So that I just want one more 100th year commemoration projects. I just want all the regions to do. Whenever I just go for the GOV, I used to talk with the presidents, because there Calicut, all the presidents would be coming and participating in the GOV. I have told many times, being a bigger place, richest place, that I just want all the presidents to do a unique project which will be there forever in the community. By seeing that, because in 1974, I think in Manandavad Circle, they have constructed one big stadium. It was handed over to the community, and it started in the 1974 and it was ended in the 1976. It was handed over to the community. That monument I have seen. The same thing that I just was keeping in mind. After 50 years of service, after so much of development in economical condition, everything, but if you're not able to do such a wonderful unique project, then I just felt that it is waste of being in a Rotary. That was in my mind. So that it was keep on poking me like anything. But when the COVID struck, I had something in my mind, because even the Rotary Foundation, what you give it for the foundation, SAP, HF, Majidona, all this accumulated money, they have told this is a pandemic. At this time, we want to help the community. So the Rotary Foundation relaxed many norms in applying the grants. So that I just called, we have formed a disaster management group, because I cannot come there and we cannot coordinate. So that I just had a very good heart and who can coordinate well and with good leadership, none other than Rajesh Subhas. I just requested Rajesh Subhas, can you do this? Because this project will be a highlight and this will be forever. Rajesh Subhas, I have to thank, and hats off to Rajesh Subhas, such a wonderful effort he has taken. Within a short span of time, he has visited the hospital. At the time, the COVID cases was there, medical hospital of Calicut. Everybody don't go there to medical hospital. At the time, he went there with the dean, and he visited the hospital, inspected, and dean also, they have also provided in a separate rooms, separate hall to set up an ICU. He has taken fantastically well. He has programmed it in a 2-phase. First phase is an ICU, second phase in an infectious ICU. We are just going to convert it. So he made it in a record time, and he applied for the grant also. And I just was talking to Rajesh Subhas. Rajesh Subhas told me our Rotarians has committed, but they will give. But somehow we have to do it within a short span of time. We have to hand over to government authorities. I think it is one of the unique project in our Kerala this year, which cost nearly about 1 crore rupees. This, which I was talking to all the Rotarians before, my dream has come true with the help of Rajesh Subhas. So that I have to thank once again Rajesh Subhas. And not only that, Rotary has made a significant changes in our community as well. I have to thank once again all the presidents participated, especially Rajesh Venglat also participated. You have also donated 50,000 rupees for the project. Hats off to this club, Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City, for your contribution. Every drops makes an ocean. That is an essay. Every drops, every single rupee has made a significant project which will be helping the community like anything during the pandemic period or during the emergency period. After emergency period also, I say. Yesterday, I was supposed to go and inaugurate one more ICU there in Uthupally. The same same ICU like Calicut ICU, we have made nearly about 8 ICUs. The last 6th, 7th ICU I have just inaugurated. I just didn't go, but I just went later on. Then I was talking to the doctor and medical people. They were saying, sir, this Rotary we cannot forget in our lives, sir, because a lot of snake bites and everything is coming. But the government is not providing us an emergency equipments which we are losing many lives, because they have to take the emergency cases in ambulance to the headquarters. So it might take nearly about 40 minutes to 50 minutes since they don't have the equipments. So yesterday it was there in the newspaper also. The minister also appreciated like anything, saying that nearly about 45 lakh of worth of emergency products we have given, which will be helpful during the COVID and the post-COVID also. That was also done yesterday. A lot of appreciation was there. Like that, many projects, many things that we have done it. We have surpassed all the records which has created in our predecessors. Regarding the foundation also, we have reached nearly about 7.25 lakhs now. And annual fund contribution also in the zone, we are just leading with around $2.25 lakhs. We are just in the annual fund. And polio fund also 78,350 rupees, $15 US dollar we are in. And 7-11 new clubs we have started. Membership was also membership retention. When Rajesh was saying, it was surprising for me today morning when I went to Rotary website and saw day before yesterday it was nearly about 626 members. Today it has dropped to 480 members. So all they have withdrawn all the members. That was a very, very pathetic situation. Rajesh was talking regarding the retention. Every president works hard. Even Rajesh Vinglat also worked hard and pushed memberships to the higher rate. But it is our responsibility. We have to retain the membership. We have to engage membership. That all the leaders say, we have to engage a membership. Like in a family, if 10 of them are in the family, one single person as a new entry is coming into the family, or it is a responsibility of 10 of the family members to engage a newcomer to the family. Otherwise, they will be left alone and they will not feel happy. The same thing should happen in the Rotary also. Retention of members is very, very much essential. I am just requesting all the smart city senior people that you have to retain the members and engage the member in the coming years. And I have to congratulate and I thank all the Rotarians who have participated well. And this year of centennial year Rotary in India, it has made a significant change in our district 3202. And we have also made very big projects like blood bank and as well as the mammography vehicle and many things we have come out. So I just wish DG Rajesh Subhas, he will do a significant change in his period. I know him very well. He is a very well planner and a very well taskmaster also. So he started his tasks before 6 months. He is planning it for 1.5 years. He will start his race on June 1st of 2021, I believe. And I just request all the Rotarians that Rajesh Subhas is our person, our family person. Everyone, you should cooperate with the Rajesh Subhas, and you should make Rajesh Subhas 3204 as first DG as a memorable DG in our district 3204. And I also wish all the Rotarians for your participation. I wish the President also a good luck for your endeavors, and you have to do well. You can also learn many things from our immediate past President Rajesh, and as well as the Secretary Pramod. I wish Rajesh, Prasad, and Srinesh, and the Treasurer Abdullah, and as well as our own Charter President Srivalsan, everybody good luck. Wish you all the very best. Stay safe Be safe and have a happy life. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rotarian PDG MP Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan, for your valuable contribution for the Rotary year 2019-20. We will be remembering you all time for helping us to set up an ICU in Calicut Medical College. Thank you, sir. Today, we are having two new members to join in our Rotary family. They are Mr. Harindranath and Mr. Hamesh. I request Rotarian Pramod M to introduce our new members.
Rotary officials, my members and fellow Rotarians. It is my privilege to introduce the new members for this in this auspicious day. And today we have two new members to be inducted. First of all, it is my pleasure to introduce Harindranath. Basically, who is a self-employed professional and director of Niti Limited, part back him, head of space projects. And basically, he is from Pitadi and born to KP Nambiar and Mrs. Sanita, and now settled in Calicut for last 20 years. He is happily married to, which is baby Manchula, and blessed with a kid, Mr. Thayo, studying in Gokulam Public School. He is a qualified MBA and mechanical engineer, and he started his career in Exporter Mobile, then moved to Popular Automobiles and HDFC Limited as manager, and AGM Sales Highlight Builders Private Limited. His main hobby is into traveling, and he has visited so many countries as part of his profession. And now we hereby present Rotarian Harindranath, and welcome my Rotarian Hari to Rotary Smart City. And second, we have Rotarian Hamesh Amanat Ramachandran. By profession, he is a builder and contractor. Basically, he is from Thrissur and presently settled in Calicut, Tirumandam. He is happily married to Mrs. Sina Hamesh, blessed with two children. First children, Vasudev studying in 8th and Lakshmi studying in 4th in Gokulam Public School. As mentioned, he is a professionally qualified entrepreneur, owner of a company called Easy Product, specialized in precast construction. And also he is running an all-age home in Thrissur and a working hostel in Thrissur. As hobbies, he is interested in agricultural farming. We proudly introduce Rotarian Hamesh Amanat to Rotary Smart City. Welcome, sir. Thank you.
We request our Assistant Governor, Rotarian PHF Engineer Shyam Somanath, to induct the new members and also to felicitate the meeting.
I would like to ask the MC to unmute the newly proposed members as well. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay, please unmute. So kindly repeat your name after say I and repeat what I say. First, I was asked Mr. Harindranath to come up, please. Harindranath and Classification Real Estate Builders. I tell your name. Please unmute Harindranath and.
Hello.
I, having been accepted as a member of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City,
having been accepted as a member of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City,
swearing
and
solemnly affirm that I will faithfully and conscientiously
abide by
abide
the
by the rules, bylaws, and ideals of this club and Rotary International.
bylaws and ideals of this club and Rotary International.
I'll try my best to be regular in attending the meetings
I will try my best to be regular in attending the meetings
and carrying out my obligations as a member of the club.
and carrying out my obligations as a member of the club.
Rotarian Harindranath, you are now a part of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City and the part of Rotary International, which widespread all over the world. Thank you for coming into the Rotary fold.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And now I request Mr. Hamesh to come forward.
Yes.
I,
Hamesh Amanat Ramachandran,
having been accepted as a member of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City,
as a member of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City,
swear in and solemnly affirm that I will faithfully and consciously abide by the rules, bylaws, and ideals of this club and Rotary International. I'll try my best to be regular in attending the meetings and carrying out my obligations as member of the club. Mr. Hamesh, you will be known as Rotarian Hamesh from now this moment. I induct you into the Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City and into the part of Rotary International. Thank you for coming into the Rotary fold.
Thank you very much.
Newly installed President of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are.
Okay. Newly installed President of Rotary Club of Calicut Smart City, Rotarian Prashant MM. Immediate past President Mr. Rajesh Vengalat. Chief Guest of the Day, Rotarian Major Donor Arul Jyoti Karthikeyan. Rotarian DG Rotarian Rajesh Subhash. Zone Coordinator Sedhu Shivashankar. Zone Secretary Rotarian Radhakrishnan. Fellow AGs. Secretary Srinesh and other Rotary Rotarians and Annex present here. I bring you greetings from our district governor, Dr. Harikrishnan Nambiar, who is starting his term today as well. On his behalf, I felicitate Rotarian Prashant MM and his team of office bearers all the best for a successful Rotary year ahead. Rotary opens opportunities is the theme for the Rotary year 2020-21. Prashant, you will be having a lot of opportunities there. It is on your part to successfully avail this opportunity and come forward. Of course, your working space is limited to the prevailing conditions here, working conditions here to the COVID problem. But I am sure the skies will be clearing fast and you will reach the horizon. I will be always with you as Assistant Governor. Before I conclude, I would like to congratulate Rotarian Rajesh Vengila, the outgoing president, and this team of office bearers, wonderful Rotary here they have given us. And I also take this opportunity to felicitate the new Rotary member, Mr. Hamesh and Mr. Harindranath, for being inducted today. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, sir. I invite Zonal Coordinator, Rotarian Setu Shivashankar, to felicitate the meeting.
Good evening, all. Newly installed Trailblazer President Prashant and the First Lady of the club, Nita, Chief Guest IPDG Karthikeyan, Guest of Honor DGE Dr. Rajesh Subhash, Senior District Surgeon at Arms Rotarian Salika, Zonal Secretary Radhakrishnan, AG Shyam Somnath, other senior Rotarians, Smart City Rotarians, and family, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me congratulate Rajesh and Pramod for the wonderful work they have done. President Prashant, from today onwards, 365 days is going to be your golden days in Rotary. So, your period should be a memorable one. Your achievements should be remembered forever. Your work should be unique. Your leadership in the club must be a milestone for others. Whatever projects you do, whatever changes you make in the club, that all should be remembered forever. Due to this pandemic, Rotary has given new opportunities for you all to work. There is a huge menu of opportunity in front of you in the form of district priorities, RI priorities, and also now our next year's RI president, Shekhar Mehta, is from India. He has put up 8 verticals so that this wide range of opportunities will help you to do projects. Whenever you do projects, try to touch the projects which help you in doing the district priorities and the RI priorities. Our district governor Hari has given very simple and easy district priorities this year. I will just go through the district priorities very quickly. The first one is yoga and health. Second one, waste management and anti-plastic awareness. Third one is increased public image. Fourth one has got 3 subdivisions: road safety in school buses and autos, traffic awareness, anti-drug abuse in schools and among teenagers by joining hands with police department, basic life support with trauma care, honoring guardians of nation on the Army Day. Sixth one is the fundamental duties, vital, that is value integrated teaching and learning. Seventh one, food safety and organic farming. 8, palliative care and dental care in old age home and school level. 9th one and the last, water conservation, rainwater harvesting, bunds in streams, etc. So these are all easy projects for you to do. The district priorities, achieve and also try to achieve all the district goals. DG Hari has given you very simple and easy district priorities, which you can achieve very easily. So Prashant, you are smart enough to lead smart city in a smarter way. District and the zone is always with you to support and guide. Best wishes to team Smart City. Let 2020 be a memorable year for you all. Let me also take this opportunity to congratulate and welcome Rotarian Harindranath and Rotarian Hamish to the Rotary world. Best wishes to you all. Thank you, J Rotary. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I invite Rotarian Advocate VP Radhakrishnan, Zonal Secretary, for felicitation.
Hello. Am I audible? Hello. 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 Okay. My respected President, newly elected President, DG, AG, and Sonal Coordinator, and all Rotarians, family members, and friends. I'm very happy to be a part of the smart installation of Smart City. Today, we are witnessing an online installation ceremony. The kind of online installations are being done in the history of Rotary movement for the first time. So, we are creating history in a way. Though it is unfortunate that actually we are compelled by the nature to transform to digital platform, it can be positively considered as a blessing in disguise. We are in the middle of the most challenging episode of human suffering, and which increase the responsibility of Rotary movement, which is a global service organization. It can be seen from the report that the outgoing team has fulfilled their responsibilities in a most successful manner. We all thank them for their meaningful services given to the humanity through Rotary. And it is evident from the biodata of the incoming team that they are capable to take up the Deepashika of service from the outgoing team, and they are capable to carry it to greater heights. And I welcome and congratulate the newly elected Rotarian Harindranath and Rotarian Hamish Ramachandran for being a part of the Rotary family. I wish all the best to the newly elected team 2021, and I offer all my possible cooperation in the coming year. Let us be in touch and let us enjoy our fellowship also online. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I invite Rotarian Rupesh, President Rotary Calicut Central, to felicitate on behalf of sister clubs.
Audible now? Good evening, respected Chairman, Chief Guest, other dignitaries present over here. Let me congratulate outgoing President Rajesh and Pramod and their team for the excellent job they have done in 2019 and 20. And also from all clubs of Calicut, let me assure all support to the newly President Rotarian Prashant and Secretary Sinesh wish them a wonderful year. We are with you. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. I invite Rotarian Anil Kumar to recognize the club guest.
I recognize the presence of following guests: Sri Akshay C, Sri Lechu, Sri R.P. Sali, Sri Rotarian Shan Dijit, Shyam, Rotarian Sudhir, Rotarian Vasanthi, Rotarian V.P. Radha Krishnan, Sri Rotarian Advocate Shanwas, Sri Rotarian Hasib P.K., Sri Rotarian Rupesh Lal, Sri Rotarian Rajan Khaladi, Sri Rotarian Mohan Raj, Sri Rotarian Jish, Sri Rotarian Sudhir, Sri Rotarian Advocate Benny Joseph, Sri Rotarian Advocate Maxine Joseph.
Thank you, sir. May I invite our new secretary, Rotarian Advocate Srinesh, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. Respected President, our most valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am very humble and honored to be the one making the closing remarks and giving the vote of thanks in such a distinguished gathering. First of all, I thank Rotarian MD PDG Aruljyoti Karthikeyan for his presence here and great words to us. We are grateful to him for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank DGE Rotarian MD Dr. Rajesh Subhash for his kind words to us, and we, being the torchbearers of his leadership, we will try our level best. And I thank Calicut Zonal Coordinator Dr. Sethu Shivasankar for his kind words, and I thank our Calicut Zone Secretary Advocate V.P. Radhakrishnan, our AG Advocate Shyam Somnath, and our Charter President Advocate P.T.S. Sunni sir, and I thank our past AG G. Shwan Marat, and I thank I thank Rotarian, now IPP Rajesh Venkalat, and past Secretary Pramod M. Nair, and I thank on behalf of Calicut Smart City all our well-wishers. I thank all the distinguished invitees. Last but not the least, I thank you, my friends, for your cooperation in the meeting and making this function a resounding success. And I thank our MC Gopika too, and thank you all from Smart City. Thank you. Deepakil.
Thank you, Rotarian Srinesh. Please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ लवङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधि तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जन गण मन
Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you.
Yes, Smart City. Meeting dispersed.
Meeting adjourned.
Leave meeting.